Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Red Iguana Mystery Nail Bags. These are by the same person that does the Nailbox nail subscription. So they just decided to offer during this quarantine time a mystery grab bag, and I remember when they first announced it, I missed the first batch, and then they made another batch, so I was able to get that one, and then they made another batch after that one. So they did make quite a lot, but then they said they weren't going to make any more, but this is how it came packaged. It says, "Enjoy your mystery grab bag. We hope that treating you to 3 to 4 nail items at $12.99 plus free shipping will help you keep busy during this stay home initiative. Stay safe, stay inspired, stay creative. With love from the Nailboxy team." So it's just something small, like it says, it's 3 to 4 items. So I just wanted to do an unboxing of that and show you guys what I got, because I know everybody's was different. And I'm pretty sure they just use things from past nail boxes that they have. So hopefully I don't get anything of items I already have. I've only had 2 nail boxes, so hope not. But we shall see, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so like I said, this was from the Nailboxy team, and it's just a little mystery grab bag thing they did for the quarantine. So let's just go ahead and get open it. This is how it came. It came inside like a plastic packaging bag, obviously, and then it came like this. Just go ahead and untie it and see what we have inside. Kind of smells like monomer. Ooh. Okay, so I don't have any of these items actually. I don't know if I have this. I have something similar to it. But so it came with these nail art, that's all it really says on it. It literally just says nail art, but I'm trying to think of what they're called, like sequins. Let's see. Open this. So it's got butterflies, hearts. I think I'm holding it upside down actually. Butterflies, hearts, some like star type things, some notes, some more stars, some dolphins. Another type is like mixed stars, some circles, some triangles, some moons, some diamonds, and some unicorns. So no, I don't think I have this one, which is really nice. I actually might do some nail art with this in my next video. Yeah, I might try that out. And then there is this drill bit, which I don't have a drill yet, but I plan to get one soon. So honestly, don't know much about this and what it's for, but it's kind of soft, honestly, and it's got the rounded tip, so not to scratch the cuticles or the skin around the nail or anything like that. And I think I actually have this, but in a different color. I think I have it in the red color that we got from the Valentine's Day one. So it's just got some pearls, some like rose gold roses, some like diamond squares in there, and some, here, let's open it up. I don't know if you guys, let's see if you can see it. Yeah. So yeah, that like I said, came in a past nail box. I'm pretty sure I got it in red. And then there is this 2-in-1 acrylic dipping powder. Perfect for ombre. Oh, so it's like, and it's called Cover Peach by Cherry. Oh, Glitter Cover Peach. Let's open that up. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of glitter in it. I think it's, like it says, a dip powder. It smells like acrylic. Yeah, acrylic and dipping powder. So it looks like it could be used for both. And like I said, it's in Cover Peach by Cherry. It's a really pretty color. Like it's just a little peachy color with some glitters in it. So hopefully I can use that in the future. So overall, I'm really satisfied with this. I was really scared I was gonna get things I already gotten in the past nail box, but I didn't. Other than, I'm not sure about this one. I think I have something similar to it, but I've heard that they give these out quite a lot. So like I said, hopefully I will do something with these in the future, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to do something really quick to show you guys what I got. Let me know what you guys got in the comments, or if you did participate in this mystery grab bag. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.